You learn to create and edit websites like a pro. Now let's see how you can publish the website, connect custom domain, and complete the delivery. So your client is happy with what you built for them. Now the first thing to do is to give access of the website to your client so that they can also edit the website from their mobile without disturbing you every time. Open Xpress Site app and select the website you want to give access to. Navigate to Settings tab and select Users and Roles. You can simply add a new user by clicking on the plus button, enter your client's name and email address, and click on Add User. Done. Now your client can log into Xpress Site with the same email and access the website you built for them. That includes changing contents from the Design tab, viewing analytics, and everything. But don't worry, they won't be able to access the partner dashboard or see your earnings. Great. Now what's pending is to connect the custom domain. The site should be activated before you can add a custom domain. Go to Settings tab, and there you can see that your site is not activated. Click on Activate Site and subscribe to a plan. Please note that if you are doing this for your client, we suggest this step to be completed by your client itself from their account because it involves auto-renewal processes. Alright, once your site is activated, you can add a custom domain. If your client doesn't have a domain, you can easily buy or get a domain for free. For that, go to the Settings tab. Under My Domains, click on Purchase Domain. You can search for and see if a domain is available. If it's available, then complete purchase if necessary, and the domain will be automatically linked to this website. That's it. Job done. Delivery complete. But if your client already has a domain, then you have to go to Design tab, select Site Settings, navigate to Domains, and click on Add Domain. You can add your client's existing domain here. Now you can see a set of instructions that needs to be done. What do you do now? You can either send a screenshot of this instructions to your client's technical team, or if they don't have one, contact the Xpress team and we will assist in completing this step within 10 minutes. Once done, click on Verify, and done. That's it. Site delivered. One more sales closed.